What if you could stop trading hours for dollars and make your money work for you 24/7, even while you sleep, travel, or binge watch your favorite shows? That's the power of passive income. It's not just a buzzword. It's a financial strategy that can truly change your life. In this video, I'm taking on a bold challenge starting with a small investment in building a passive income stream that not only grows over time, but also gives me more freedom and control over my life. And I want to take you along on this journey so you can learn how to do it too. Think about this. How many times have you wished for an extra paycheck or dreamed of earning money while enjoying your life instead of being stuck in a job you don't love? You're not alone. In today's world, more people are waking up to the reality that financial security, docility, have to come from just one source. Passive income allows you to build a safety net or even a whole new lifestyle by creating income streams that require little to no daily effort once set up. Now let's get real. This isn't some overnight riches fantasy. Passive income is a real, achievable goal. But it does require the right strategies, consistency, and a willingness to learn. Most people think you need to be a millionaire or a tech wizard to get started. That's a myth. In fact, the best passive income opportunities are often low cost, beginner-friendly, and scalable over time. Let's dive into a few proven strategies that you can explore today. One of the most talked about methods is real estate investing. Owning rental property can create a stable monthly cash flow. For instance, if you purchase a property and rent it out for $1,500 per month while your expenses are $1,000, you pocket $500 passively every month. Over a year, that's $6,000 in income, while your property also appreciates in value. But maybe real estate isn't for you right now, and that's okay. Another excellent path is dividend investing. By purchasing shares in companies that pay out regular dividends, you can earn money just for holding their stock. Picture this: a $20,000 investment in a dividend stock with a 5% annual yield means you re-earning $1,000 per year without doing anything but holding onto your shares. Still wondering where to start if you have limited funds? Let's talk about digital products, a goldmine for passive income. If you're good at something, whether it's cooking, fitness, graphic design, or personal finance, you can create an online course, ebook, or template and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or Amazon. For example, an ebook that costs $9.99 and sells 300 copies in a year generates $3,000 with almost no ongoing effort after publishing. Another underappreciated method is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products through unique links and earning, like a commission when someone buys through your link. You can integrate affiliate links into YouTube videos, blogs, or social media. One content creator I know earns $500 a month consistently from just one blog post that went viral years ago. That's the power of one-time work creating long-term earnings. Peer-to-peer lending is also growing in popularity. You lend your money through platforms like Lending Club or Fundrise. As borrowers repay the loan with interest, you earn income. While it does involve some risk, the average returns can be around 5 to 7% annually, which beats letting your money sit idle in a savings account. If you want something even more hands-off, index funds and ETFs are perfect. These are diversified investments in the stock market that grow your money passively over time. Historically, broad index funds have returned around 7 to 10% annually. With a consistent investment of just $200 a month in an index fund, you could grow your portfolio to 6 figures in a couple of decades, all without constantly monitoring your investments. Let's look at real examples for motivation. A stay-at-home mom I follow built a YouTube channel around meal planning. After a year of creating videos, she monetized with ads, affiliate links, and her own printables, now earning over $2,500 a month in passive income. Another example is someone who created a Notion template for productivity. After sharing it on social media, it went viral, and now he earns $1,000 plus per month with zero ongoing effort. Remember, building passive income is not about quitting everything and hoping for magic. It's about making smart, intentional moves today that pay off for years to come. Yes, there's a learning curve. Yes, there's some work up front, but the reward? More time with your family, more peace of mind, more freedom to pursue your dreams. So what's stopping you? Is it fear of failure? Is it lack of knowledge? Time constraints? These are real concerns, but they're also barriers you can overcome. Start small. Learn as you go. Pick one strategy and commit to it for the next 30 days. You'll be amazed at the momentum you can build with small, consistent actions. If this video sparked some new ideas or gave you a push to start your passive income journey, let me know in the comments. Which strategy are you most interested in? I read every comment, and I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions. And if you're serious about building wealth and creating a life on your own terms, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. In the next video, I'll dive deeper into high-growth investment strategies you can use to speed up your path to financial independence. Thank you for watching, and remember, your money should be your employee, not your master. Let's build wealth together, one smart step at a time.